If you ever looked at a set of floor plans, you may have realized two things. First of all, they're confusing and at times overwhelming to the untrained eye. Second, they leave most of the details of your home up to the imagination. What a lot of people don't realize is that there is a lot more that goes into planning a new build than just a floor plan. I am Francisca Alonso, and today we're going to be talking about the 4 elements that make up a set of architectural home plans: floor plans, cross sections, elevations, and details. Let's take a minute to go into each of these a bit more in depth. First, what are floor plans? Floor plans offer a top-down view of the house as if you were cutting through the walls horizontally at a height of 3 feet and looking down. Floor plans include windows, doors, and interior partitions, giving the viewer a clear understanding of the layout. Think of it as slicing the top of a muffin to reveal its inner structure. Second, what are cross sections? Cross sections are vertical cuts through the house that provide insight into room heights, window and door placements, and changes in ceiling height. This third dimension adds depth to the floor plan and allows architects to create and communicate a comprehensive design. Third, what are elevations? Elevations are a view from the outside of the house's front, sides, and rear, as if you were standing and looking at the property from each direction. They depict the exterior details, such as columns, windows, exterior material selections, highlighting the architectural aesthetics. This also includes interior elevations. Interior elevations include anything interesting on the wall that is not included in the floor plans or sections. Usually, this applies to things like cabinets, built-ins, fireplaces, or basically any space that has more than just your basic plain drywall. And fourth, what are details? To ensure that every aspect of your home is accurately constructed, architects provide intricate details that illustrate how different elements are connected. These details, such as wall sections, showcase the makeup of the walls, including foundation, framing, insulation, and exterior siding. When it comes to details, the more information provided, the fewer assumptions are made, leading to a smoother construction process when you bring these plans to the builder. So you may be thinking, okay, do I actually need all of that? There are builders who claim that they can build a house using just floor plans, and most likely they could build a house. The question is it the same house that you originally envisioned, designed, and paid for? With 75% of the information left up to the builder's assumption, it seems unlikely. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to learn more about the custom home building process, including tips, tricks, and common mistakes, go check out our Learning Center, where we post a lot of great content about this topic. And if you're interested in a design-build home, reach out to us via our Contact Us page at www.avarchitectsbuild.com.